Saw a video, I bought a thing. Sorry for the noise in the background, the 3D printer is on. So I saw this short 2 days ago because I ordered the thing came yesterday, I'm making the video today. So if this isn't dedication to the dip powder cause, I don't know what is. I have parted with 5 of my British pounds to buy item in video. And I am not going to lie, I have no hope at all that it's going to work. But there's a little bit of me that maybe I'll be surprised. So the £5 that I spent on Amazon actually delivered 3 variations of said magic tool. A magic tool that is an easy French smile cut, which it's going to be in the thumbnail. You've seen it. Let's watch the video. How do I play? How do I play? How do I play? Where's the play button? No, that's not the play button. Oh my god. Okay, right, okay. Silly me didn't set the audio up properly, so here comes the voiceover. So the guy does like 3 dips, I think. No brushing off, FYI. It's going to contaminate his liquids. I'll probably say this somewhere there. But he's definitely using dip powder. Yeah, okay. And then he gets his magic little tool and he sort of sizes it and gets a bit of a line going so he can see where it's going to be. Press, pull away, and it all slides off. And I am sure he has activated that pink. So that's my plan. And then goes in and does the white dips separately. And then that's it. Magic, file it, tidy it up, bish bash bosh. Everybody's happy, apparently. I don't know. Let's go to the other camera and have a go, but I am not holding my breath. Right, so this should be quite straightforward. As it happens, I do have some Sassy Saints French tip kit powders. I've got French Flair, which we'll be using as the base colour, and if we get to it, full white for the tip. I don't know, I can't see how it's going to work. I bought these powders to do a French tip video, which I ain't got around to doing yet, cause life. So, right, I'm just trying to get my head in the right space for figuring out what I'm doing here. So, I've got my nail. I've got my smile cut. Now, I think I said 6. No, that's 9. Where's 6? There's 6. Okay, that does seem to... oh, maybe not, actually. No, I think we might need to be a 7. Let's have a look here. Are we in focus? We are. Yeah, I think 6 is a bit tight, actually. Okay. Right. Okay, I'm going to go with it. Right. I've got my Sassy Saints liquids as well. I'm already thinking it's not going to be thick enough to scrape anything off, is it? I can't imagine. And I've only got 2 layers on at the minute. Maybe I should do 4 layers. Maybe I'll do 4. I think a lot was edited out of that video, to be honest, wasn't it? I'm not sure if I'm prolonging the inevitable by adding a 4th layer, but maybe nobody's even watching this bit. Maybe you're all just fast forwarding to the end to see if it works. I can't do that, it's real life. We've got 4 dips on there. This is the moment I've been waiting for. Right, number 6 we said. Get everything out of the way. Moment of influenced truth. Right, so we marked it first, didn't we? Right, so make sure you can see what's going off here. Right, okay. No, did we say 7? No, we said 7, didn't we? Oh, Christ. Right, so if I don't really care where it is, to be honest. This is a test. Mark it. Right, we're going to risk it for a chocolate. Hey, if this works, blimey. Right, okay. On the line. Press down. Oh, shit, is it going to work? Oh, my God, oh, my God, oh, my God. Oh, it's a bit tough. Oh, wow, it's a lot tough. Oh, my God, it is actually working, though. Oh, sort of. Maybe my technique's not very good. It was a bit set, what can I say? Maybe if it was your actual nail. I mean, look, it has partially come off. Let's go back in. Right, hang on. If it's your actual finger, I can't talk today. Then you've got a bit of something to push against, haven't you? I mean, my nails are very short. Maybe that would help? I don't know. I mean, it's a bloody good smile line. I mean, chuffing hell, look at that. Look at that. Well, I wasn't expecting that to happen. I either expected to be wrong and it not work at all, or yeah, completely wrong and it worked like a dream, or that has kind of worked. Right, what I'm gonna do, I mean, maybe you have to be quicker. Maybe you only did need 3 layers. I don't know. Maybe there's some trial and error involved in this. Right, what I'm going to do... Where's my activator? Right, let me activate this. Right, I'm just going to see if I can remove... Because I've not activated this, so it should, in theory, come off quite easy. And if you're going to dip over it... don't know, you know. Well, love it or loathe it, I'll put a link below to the one that I bought. Ye gods. I don't know if I buy some stuff. Right, where's my white? Right. So this is, which one is this? Full white. I've got the other one as well. I think there's 4 powders that Sassy Saints sell. There's 2 different types of pink and 2 different types of white. I might actually make that video now. So this is going to be, obviously put your base coat on first. Are we focused? And then dip the tip into the powder situation. Well, Incidentally, as always, if you do want to get any of the Sassy Saints colours, liquids, kits, whatever, there is a link in my description box down below to get £10 off one of their fab kits. Sassy Saints is where I started off with on my dip powder journey. And I've just got some new colours, FYI, which I am going to be having a look at in my next video. I thought this was going to be another one of my what a load of old rubbish videos. Right, okay. I'll do the thing, I'll let it dry, I will get it rinsed off, do the top coat, and we will be back for a review. That has actually turned out really, really well. I am proper amazed. I thought it was going to be another one of those daft things that you see that doesn't work. But that smile line is so sharp, which for dip powder can be hard work. So, you know what? For £5, yes. Yes. And again, these colours that I've used are the Sassy Saints French Flare and Full White, and that is beautiful. I don't really know what to say now, it's worked, so I hope you've enjoyed this video. I'll see you on the next one. Bye!